F1 drivers race mega trucks.
Oh my god!
After building the track, the first challenge was literally just getting in.
I hope you can jump in. I know!
I'm quite small, so quite easy to jump into the car.
And before the race, each driver tried to set the fastest qualifying lap.
I'm so scared.
Full throttle, really off the line. Go, 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 go! Oh no! You stalled it! 30 seconds, 31, 32, 33, 34. Go!
Let's do it, baby!
Now it's my turn.
Good luck and stay alive.
Yeah, that's the most important.
Whoa! Last lap.
But who set the fastest qualifying time?
Yuki with a 58.37
This is slow.
I'm not so sure.
and Max's time a 55.07.
Well, it's close. It's close.
With pole position sorted, they were ready for the final race.
Are we doing Mickey side by side or?
Racing.
Ain't left.
What's it?
Box, Max. Box.
Misfire rate.
Yuki was flying. My car was so good. Look, another trophy for you, Yuki.
You have like 1,000 of trophies, so
It's all good,
you
mate.
have to
It's
give
all
me
good.
one.